Hi, lovely people. How are you? Look what I got in the mail today. Both of the May's beauty boxes, the Target beauty boxes. There were 2 available for May, and I picked them both up. So I'm really excited because in the email, they weren't supposed to come till next week, till Tuesday. Today is Friday, so I am a little excited. I believe the Sonia Kashuk box was $10, and then the regular beauty box was $7. This is like the Mother's Day Target beauty box. So I'm going to open up the Sonia Kashuk box first because I am really excited. I'm going to tell you why I got that. I know there is a brush in here. I have the Sonia Kashuk number 130, guys. They don't sell this anymore, or at least I can't find it where I live. And this is my favorite brush, powder brush. I use this when I'm done my makeup and I put powder on. Love it. This is dense enough but soft enough where it won't take your foundation off or any cream products. I don't know what I would do if I lost this brush. I really don't. I mean, that was a little dramatic, but that's how much I love this brush. I had this for about 5 years. And this is the only Sonia Kashuk brush I have, believe it or not. I can't believe I haven't bought any more. So when I seen this, and I know it's $10, but I seen a brush in here, I was quite excited. So let's open that up. I literally just got these boxes a few minutes ago. So I'm excited. I know, guys, I still got to get a box cutter. I'm still using that dull knife. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. And let's see what's in here. So it just says, hello, makeup must-haves. And every time you get a Target box, you always get $3 off if you purchase $15 or more. This here is for the Sonia Kashuk. You have to purchase something from that brand to get the $3 off. And then it tells you what everything is up here, which I do like. And does it have prices? No, it doesn't have the prices. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to start off with this. This is a makeup blender, and this is a new product, I believe. I don't care for these because they're not soft enough for me. I'll link a video right up here, and I tried a newer sponge as well. It was like a really big one for your body, an all black one. And what I usually do is use it for my face because it's bigger and it's easy to blend. It's faster. And that thing was so hard. It was like I was just hitting myself in the face, so I didn't like it. So I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I don't want to take the chances. But here is the brush, which I'm really excited. This is the number 163. This is a blush brush. And let's see if I can open it up. Lordy, let's see. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Jesus. All right. So let's see. Oh, this is soft. Now, okay, so that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. But for me, I guess that would be good for a blush brush. Yeah, but you can use this for anything. You can use this for powdered bronzer. Not really cream products because it's not dense enough. But I do like this brush, so I'm excited. So this brush alone pays for the box, does it? Let's see what it says. It just says 100% synthetic bristles, precisely applied brush into the cheeks for a perfect pop of color. So that's good. So then we have a pair of tweezers. And I love the fact that it's slanted. So I'm excited about that. You can never go wrong with tweezers. And then, oh, I forgot you get another brush. This is the angled eyeshadow brush, the number 224. So let's open her up. I don't know why I'm looking awful pale today. I don't know because I have my lights on or what. So let's open this up. I like how it comes, that it's, come on. Oh, Lord. This is the thing when you don't edit. Okay, so I got that off, and that's what it looks like. I would not use this for an eyeshadow brush. Let's see what it says. An eyeshadow brush, it's like a professional angled one. What I would use this for, you see how it goes like in an angle like that? I like that for your concealer. It's really good for that, just the way that it's angled, or like around your nose or anything like that. This is perfect for that. So I am excited I got that. And last but not least, we got 3 of the quick dry makeup brush wipes. So that's good because this is good for the in-between, you know, before you like do a deep cleaning of your brushes. So that's exciting to get 3 because I hate when they always send you like 1 sample. So that's pretty good. I got 2 brushes, so right there pays for the box. And then we got the tweezers. So I like that. I am not, oh, and the sponge. So that's really good. So that's good. All right, let's open this. Like I said, this is for the Mother's Day box. Oh, sorry about that. I always forget and I slam that knife down. Okay. And this is what it usually looks like every month, the box. And same, it comes with a card. So this is your $3 off of any beauty purchase of $15 and more. And then of course you get, it tells you what everything you get. And it has pink, I guess, for Mother's Day. And wow, you get a lot with that. Now this was 7. Okay, so the first thing we got is, I can never say this name, La Roche-Posay. Every time I say that, I think of it, you know, I'm saying the other thing. This is an intense repair moisturizing cream. So that's nice. And then we got a cleansing stick. This is cactus water and hibiscus. Instantly hydrates and softens skins as you cleanse. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little, oh, that's really cool. It's from St. Ives. I've never tried this. Let me know down below if you ever tried something like that. That's pretty cool. What does it say? 100% natural coconut hydrates and softens delicate facial skin as you cleanse, so you can get your glow on. That's really, really cool. Cleanse and stick, gently massage your skin while the fragrances awaken your senses. I'm really excited to try that. Then we got some little scrunchies, so that's cool. Then we got, this is Scrub of Your Life from Soap and Glory. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is like skincare. This is really good for $7. Then we have a sunscreen from Neutrogena, which is great. Then we have Lavender and Amber. This is a refreshing mist. Let's see what this is. And that's what that looks like. See, I forget what everything is in the box, so that's good. Let's see. So this is indulge in a yummy body mist infused with dreamy notes of soothing lavender and creamy golden amber. Okay, let's see. Let's smell. Oh, that smells good. I definitely smell the amber. That's really good. I like that. I'll probably give this to my daughter though. Okay, and last but not least, as a dry shampoo, which I love dry shampoos. So this is Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil. So by OGX, I'm not sure how to pronounce that brand. So I think that's really good for $7. We got the dry shampoo, the little like spray. We got the cleansing stick, Soap and Glory. This is like a face scrub. Got some scrunchies, and got this Posay, the balm. So that's good. It's like a moisturizing cream. So I really liked it. And having this $3 off of $15 is really, really good. So let me know, guys. Oh yeah, and I forgot, and the sunscreen. So let me know what you guys think of these boxes. Did you get them? I believe that they're sold out, so I do apologize for that, for showing you guys, but I wanted you guys to see what was in the boxes. Let me know if you think it's worth the money. Let me know what you think of this Sonia Kashuk box for $10. Would you get it? Let me know. And until my next video, oh, don't forget to like this video if you like unboxing, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos so more people can get to know who I am. And I will also leave another video over here if you want to watch another video of me. And over here you will see my little face. You just click that if you want to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.